back to the channel. Tell you what, we're doing a food review, and this one comes from a suggestion we got from a subscriber. T-Dog, I don't remember your whole name, T-Dog something, I'll put it right down here, suggested that I do BUBBA Burgers. Frozen hamburger. Frozen burgers is not that uncommon for me to have on hand, because some days we just need something quick and easy, and frozen burgers, having them handy is pretty good around here at times. But I've never had a BUBBA Burger. Now, BUBBA Burger claims, where is it? Right here. You'll never bite a burger better than a BUBBA. That's a pretty bold claim. And when I look at the ingredients of this thing, ingredients, Angus beef chuck. That's pretty impressive to have in a frozen burger, because most of them, I don't know what's all in those things, guys. But BUBBA claims this is the best burger I'll ever buy. I'm gonna cook this burger the way I make burgers around here fairly often, because I love a good burger. And I'm just gonna make a double. I'm the only one here, and Mama's not here to stop me, so I'm just gonna do a double bacon cheeseburger. And pretty simple burger, pretty easy to do around here. And I'm gonna do it on my Chefman indoor grill, just because it's convenient. So, all right, let's get going. I do want to see what we're working with here, so I'm just going to open this up and see how the packaging comes. Alright, I'm just going to pull two out of here. Two of them out of here while my grill heats up, and it looks like just ground beef. That's what it looks like. That's what they say it is. Now there's pressed, not in a round form, which is pretty cool. I will add some seasoning on these, because it is, well, it's a burger that plain beef, and it needs to be seasoned. And guys, I don't want to overpower the beef, because I do want to taste the beef as when I'm reviewing it, but I am going to hit it up with just a little SPG from Grillaholics. I am affiliated with Gillaholics, so I'll have a link below. Just hit it. I'll season the other side once it gets on the grill. I hope it stays on there, because that is a frozen beef patty. If not, I'll re-season it when we get it on the grill. Alright guys, let's get these on here. We're just gonna cook them until we get some liquids and stuff on top, and we'll flip them, let them cook on the other side. All right guys, instructions say, and this is taking, well at least on this grill, about 10 minutes. Do not touch them until you get some pooling fluids on top of that burger, and we're at that point, so let's just give them a quick flip. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice little sear on that. I am impressed. We're just going to cook this till we heat 160 degrees Fahrenheit internal. Alright, we're almost there. Yeah, we're actually pretty close right there. I'm going to scoot these over so they can finish off. So this is not a detailed cook, guys, but we just trying out some BUBBA burgers. But I do want it to taste as good as we can make it. I'm just gonna toast up this bun right here just for us. Gonna add some cheese on here. Oh yeah, look at there. Nice. Nice, we'll take it. Alright guys, let's get these off of here and build us a little burger. Try out some BUBBA burgers. Alright, let's get our bun on in here. We'll show you how we're going to dress this thing up. Come in with just a little mayo on the bottom, that's it. One burger. Second burger. Some extra bacon we had on hand. Just a little mustard on top, and that's all we're doing, guys. Check out the Bubba Burger. The Bubba Double Bacon Cheeseburger right there, guys. On some super fine china to boot. Alright guys, the question is, that is a big old burger. How does this thing taste? Is it as good as my normal burgers that I cook from fresh ground beef? I have my doubts that it's that good. But is it the best frozen burger I've ever had? Let's find out right here. That's pretty darn good, guys. That's right up there with fresh ground beef. I'm gonna get just a little piece by itself. Got a little cheese on it, that's okay. I'm not gonna go fresh ground beef anymore. That's very good, guys. It is the best frozen burger I've ever had, without a doubt. Another bite. It actually tastes like ground beef. Or ground chuck in this case. That is tasty, guys. Bubba Burger. Yeah, they do cost a little bit more, but there's a reason. You're getting actually, I believe, real beef here. I think there's real beef in the other frozen burgers, but I don't think it's only ground beef or ground chuck or whatever the case may be. These are excellent, guys. I do recommend them. Big thumbs up from me. Thank you as always for watching these videos. I enjoy these review videos, and I'll keep doing them as long as you're watching them. T-Dog, buddy, thank you for the suggestion, and just give you a little shout out here. All of you guys, if you got a suggestion for me, I'll try to do them if it's feasible for me to do. So guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you want to see? Whether it's fast food, frozen food, or whatever. So guys, thank you as always, and until next time, God bless you. Bye-bye.